So it's a quick gameplay review on this Realme GT2 device, friends, as you can see, and I'm trying to play the Genshin Impact game using the highest settings as possible. Let me show you exactly what settings I'm trying to use and how is the overall gameplay. Let's find out in this video. And is a custom settings, and I did try to select to the highest, and everything is set to the high maximum. Everything is maxed out, and let's try to play the game and let's find out how will be the overall FPS drop test during this process of testing. Right now it's maintaining about 40 FPS I'm getting right now, 40 and 50. It's not maintaining 60. It's kind of 40 and 50. 54, 56, 57 as well right now. As you can see, there is a huge frame drops has been happened just now. 50, 53, 42. This is just only small gameplay, friends. I am trying to play. This is a basic level, first level itself, not the big level anyway. 35 FPS it did drop during this process of demonstration without using any kind of GT mode. So 47 FPS and 42 FPS right now. As you can see, friends, and make sure to follow my channel regularly for complete updates on this Realme GT2 device regarding any kind of gameplay reviews. And let's do one more fight and let's see what's happening here regarding the gameplay using with the highest settings as possible. Completely high settings all I'm trying to use. 60 FPS non-stop. As you can see, 60 FPS all I'm trying to play the game. So I will be back after some time, friends. Overall, this is a quick FPS drop test and the Genshin Impact review on this one, Realme GT2 device. So 46 FPS and 32 FPS, 41. It's maintaining Snapdragon 888 processor. So it's maintaining about 41. It came close to 41 FPS. So let's use a GT mode and try to do the testing. Right now, using with the GT mode, we'll try to see exactly how is the gameplay experience going to be there. Still the same results, 44 and 48 FPS I'm getting. As you can see, 50. Even using the GT mode also, nothing much improved regarding the overall frame rates. 45, 49, 49, it's maintaining 45 and 49. 44. 40 FPS it did drop. So that's it, friends. Thank you for watching.